In today's video, we're going to make homemade cheese fondue. These are ingredients we are going to use today. The main ingredients, we're going to use Monterey Jack cheese. The others going to be flour, small amount of cayenne pepper, minced garlic, unsalted butter, evaporated milk, the last one is going to be chicken broth. Let's get started the process. In a 1.5 quart saucepan, melt the butter over medium heat. Let's add the garlic, cook and stir about 30 seconds. Adding flour, the small amount of cayenne pepper, broth, and evaporated milk all at once. Cook and stir until you meet the thickened consistency and getting bubbly. Now we can gradually add the cheese and stirring until the cheese is really melted. Now it seems like the fondue is ready to be served. Get your veggies, bread cubes, or anything of your choice to dip into it. Don't forget to transfer the fondue to the fondue place over the burner if you have one, or just maybe a ceramic bowl and enjoy it while it's hot. Making homemade fondue is pretty simple, fast, fresh, and fun. If I can do it, I'm sure you can do it too. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and see you in next video. Until next time, bye!